Hello everybody, Craft and Bev here. I decided I was going to start this vlog about trying to get my craft room organized. For those who may not know, we had a flood. I had a flood in my apartment and everything got packed up. So when I got back, all my stuff was put in boxes, was all in boxes. Okay, just one moment. I don't walk as well. Oh, there goes my phone telling me don't forget to take your meds, and I'll do that. I'll just let it keep going. I see somebody was up on the tables. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. Anyway, my daughter had these boxes stacked all the way to the ceiling. And I had a caregiver come in yesterday, and she took down the first three, and I started, okay, so I have been trying to find there's like 3 or 4 things I'm trying to find. So anyway, my plan, this caregiver is going to be back today. My plan is, one, see all this paper they use to wrap up my terracotta pots and my jars and my glass stuff and my ceramics. I'm going to have her take all that and put it in a trash bag and take it out. You can't see it that well, but there's a whole bunch of these boxes that are collapsed. I'm going to have her put those out on the patio temporarily until I can decide if I need them or not for backing for my stitching stuff. Then I'm trying to put my paints away, but I don't think it's going to fit doing what I want to do, because there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's about 15 crates of them, and I don't think it's this, with them being on the table there, it's going to work. So I'm going to have to figure out something else. I don't know. But anyway, all this, I want to start trying to figure out. See, there's all my jars of buttons, and I still have some more jars that I want to, for all the different colors. But anyway, I want to get all of this after we get all this paper out and the cardboard boxes out. These crates here go on this table. This sewing machine is supposed to go on a table over here. Sorry, I don't want to make anybody sick. I figure I may not get a lot done every day, but I'm going to try and record each day what I get done and what I'm doing. I will tell you this. One of my plans is this shelving here. I want it turned around. I want it to where I can get to it from this side, but over here. So that's going to be one of the plans once all these boxes are gone, is to get that shelving turned around. Yesterday, she got my TV and my DVD player set up on the table, so I can at least watch movies in here now while I'm cleaning. So I just have to be careful about what I put on the table. That little monkey there, it was sitting on the DVD player. I think a certain cat by the name of Baby Girl decided I don't like it there. So this is the beginning of organizing my craft room. Oh yeah, in case anybody's wondering, all those are containers behind this door. I need to figure out, some of them are going to get empty because, like, if you see that second container from the top, those are my Halloween dolls I'm making. Just need to finish them and they'll be packed up with the Halloween decorations. And that's the other thing. I want to have all my Halloween decorations and all my Christmas decorations and all my other decorations that my daughter has in her storage, bring it home. So, as I said, I am going to start I'm going to have you join me on this journey. I may not record every day because of my health. I may not be able to come in here every day. The caregiver I had yesterday and today, this is the only 2 days I get her because she's just a fill-in until they can figure out who I'm going to get. I am getting all new caregivers because one, my daughter has a full-time job and they have a working double shift, so she can't work for me anymore. And the lady I had on Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, she got fired because they found out that, well, she was not doing her job the way she was supposed to, and they found out a few other things. So, this is the beginning. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will be able to film, and all this will be gone. We shall see. Toodles.